Hello YouTube, and how the devil are you? Welcome back to the channel. We have a bit of a weird one today because this morning I had someone come and offer me a PC. Obviously I like to build custom PCs, but I actually got this at a cracking deal. Now this has got it's in a BenFix case with a disk drive. It's got an MSI 750 graphics card, 750 watt Coolmaster power supply, an i5 processor, and 8 gigs of RAM. Now it's not the best, and I'll explain why in a minute, but there is a few technical issues with this. Now it powers up, it starts, it works, everything works fine. But the first thing I noticed, the power supply is upside down, which is weird to me. And under here, it's got some foam holding the motherboard because it's not fully screwed in. It's missing the I/O shield on the back. Graphics card's not actually screwed into place. It's got a terabyte hard drive, which is just literally placed inside. Now, the reason I bought this computer is my daughter wants a computer. Not necessarily a gaming computer, she just wants a computer. She wants to start streaming as well. So I'm going to build this, I'm going to strip this thing apart completely. I'm going to fix all the bits that are, the main bits. I've got extra screws so we can screw that back into place. I'm going to see if I can find an I/O shield. So I think I've got another one of these motherboards lying around out back. On the front, it's got no fans, so I need to add some extra fans, which luckily I have some spare from out back. I also have 120 gigs solid state drive in this thing as given a damn good clean because it is filthy. I mean, cable management's terrible, the fan is filthy and dropping stuff into it. The graphics card. That's just not even clipped in, hanging. So I'm gonna strip it. I'm gonna give it all a clean. Now I only paid £80 for this computer, which is a really good price. And for a starting computer for my daughter, like I said, I've got plenty of bits. I've got plenty of bits out back. I've got a spare solid state drive here, which I'll reinstall Windows on. So yeah, it's a starting computer for her, but for what I paid for it, I'm not really going to have much invested in it. So it's going to be a good computer. So I'm going to get this stripped down and we're going to sort it. So as you can see, no I/O shield, loads of bits missing, loads of bits. And look how rough it looks. But it'll clean up. I believe it's got ballistics RAM in there as well, but I'm going to take it all apart. I'm going to completely clean it and we'll get this little project for my daughter going.
Right, who's this?
It's Kev Faye on the beat.
Right, okay, so I've got the case all cleaned, it's all dried, it's looking nice, everything else has been cleaned, ready to go back in. I've got a few extra bits here that I've had on the shelf. As you know, that this build is going to be a cheap build for my daughter. So I've had to order two things, which is a fan splitter and some white LEDs for the case. That's all. I think it's cost me an extra £12. So I'm trying to get this computer built for my daughter as cheap as physically possible and working. So I'm now going to go ahead and start putting everything back into the case. All the extra fans, because this had no fan cases whatsoever, so it needs fans, possibly some extra USB ports if I can get that working. solid state drive for Windows. Yeah, get it all fully rebuilt. So let's get this started and get it done. So hopefully by the end of today, she'll have a working PC. Okay, so it's done. We've completely rebuilt this. We stripped it apart from scratch, as you saw. Cleaned it all out, added a few extra touches, added missing pieces like fans for cooling. Actually mounted this into place, put the power supply back on the right way round. We added a little Funko Pop in for my daughter. Yeah, it's got LED lighting. It works. I've installed Windows. I've done all the updates. We've installed Steam, Origin, and NVIDIA Experience, and done all the update drivers for the graphics card as well. It won't play a massive amount of games, but it will do Escape from Tarkov, recommended. It will do Fortnite, recommended. It'll play a fair few games. Sims 4 is one that she does like playing all the time. Plus she'll be able to do her homework on it as well. And yeah, this basically cost me £92, including buying the case. Obviously I had spare parts lying around the shop, like the solid state drive, which generally less than 20 quid for 120 gig solid state drive anyway. A couple of fans that I had to stick in for cooling. But the rest, I think I only actually spend out my own pocket £12 for LED lighting and a fan controller, a fan extender, because obviously it's only got 2 fan ports on the board, but where we put 2 on the front, 1 on the back, we needed to split it. So yeah, that's all it's really cost me, apart from buying the PC for 80 quid. So it just goes to prove that you can actually go out there and build a semi-decent computer for not a great deal of money. Obviously they don't come around every day where you can pick them up for £80. I was lucky, so I came into the shop and I got a really good deal. But you can still build a fairly decent PC for not a lot of money. But yeah, that's the end of the video. So obviously if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.